Hi everyone, in this video we are going to commit all our changes related to validation and exception handling. So you can see in our GitHub we have just two branches, that is master and HTTP verbs and Spring Data GPA. So let's create another branch. Let's go to our IDE first and change our perspective to Git. And you can see that we have two branches, local branches, that is master and HTTP verbs. So what we're going to do is, in the staging area, if you see here, you have all these files that are unstaged, so let's add index to all these files. These are the files that we modified and added. So let's add this to staged area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a branch on top of this, and I'll name this as 02 validations and exception handling. Okay, so let's save this. And you can see that I am currently on my new branch, and all these have the same commit reference. So when I do, when I staged all this, and if I do commit, okay, let's give the commit message. Exception handling, and if I do commit and push, all these changes will be pushed to my remote branch. So let's do that. Okay, I have some unsaved, but let's save it. And if I do again, let's do it this time. And you can see that the remote is this, and the source is my local branch, the reference for that, and the remote branch that will be created is this. I click on next. I click on finish. Okay, so all the changes were pushed successfully to my remote. Let's go to GitHub and refresh. And you can see that the new branch is now available here. Okay, that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next session.